Improve indoor air quality with expert Maumelle, Arkansas HVAC Technician Services. Seat and Heat and Air has launched an updated air purification service for customers throughout Maumelle, Arkansas. The right air cleaner and HVAC filters can purify the air and ensure a safer living environment for your family. Seat and Heat and Air offer you the REM Halo by RGF, which has been specially designed to ensure the elimination of mold bacteria. They are available on a 24/7 basis, and respond quickly to emergency air purity situations. Click on the link in the description for more info.